Hi, this is Angie from Angie's Southern Kitchen, and today we're going to learn some recipes for strawberry rhubarb combinations. And in this recipe, which is a very versatile recipe, I use it in a lot of different things. You can make it into a jam, and also you can make it for a sauce for ice cream, which is really good. And I also put this on my palovas, strawberry rhubarb palova, and you can also make it in a cobbler. So this is very versatile, this little recipe. In here we have 2 cups of rhubarb that are chopped and 2 cups of strawberries. We have 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, the juice of 1 lemon, 1/4 a cup of water, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and a pinch of salt. We're going to take all of our ingredients, put them in a saucepan, and bring them on a low simmer till the sauce thickens, and then we'll show you the next step. We've learned how to make a sauce for ice cream, for the rhubarb and strawberry for ice cream. That's really good together. Actually, this strawberry rhubarb combination is just really good by itself. And this is the cobbler, and strawberry and rhubarb cobbler. This is Angie from Angie's Southern Kitchen, and you just learned recipes for strawberry rhubarb combinations.